The evolution of sound has a new name, and it's about to change everything you thought you knew about personal audio. For years, we've seen incremental updates, a little better battery here, a slightly faster chip there. But what's coming next isn't just an update. It's a total reimagining of the most popular earbuds on the planet. Welcome to the future. Welcome to the AirPods Pro 4. If you're watching this right now, you're likely holding a pair of AirPods Pro 2, or perhaps the recently released Pro 3. Wondering if the rumors are true. Is Apple really putting cameras inside your ears? Is the H4 chip actually as powerful as a vintage MacBook? And most importantly, should you stop yourself from buying any other headphones until these drop? Today, we are diving deep into the massive leaks, the internal prototypes, and the leaked supply chain data that confirms the AirPods Pro 4 are the biggest leap in Apple's wearable history. Let's start with the elephant in the room. The design. For 3 generations, Apple stuck to the iconic stem look. It's recognizable, it's status, but it's also getting old. Internal sources suggest that for the Pro 4, Apple is testing a grip-fit architecture. Imagine a body that contours perfectly to the human conchus, eliminating the need for constant adjustments during a workout. But the real shocker? The case. We've seen the patents. Apple is moving toward an interactive OLED display on the MagSafe case itself. This isn't just a gimmick. Imagine controlling your Spotify playlist, checking your heart rate, or even seeing a live translation of the person speaking to you, all without ever taking your iPhone out of your pocket. This is Apple's way of making the AirPods a standalone device, independent of the iPhone. But why would you need a screen on a case? Because of what's happening inside the earbuds. The AirPods Pro 4 are rumored to feature dedicated infrared IR cameras. Now, before you worry about privacy, these aren't for taking selfies. These are spatial awareness sensors. By seeing the world around you, the AirPods Pro 4 will allow for Vision Pro-style hand gestures in mid-air. You could literally pinch the air to turn up the volume, or wave your hand to dismiss a call. It sounds like science fiction, but the H4 silicon chip sitting inside these buds is specifically designed to handle these AI-driven visual calculations in real time. Speaking of the H4 chip, let's talk about the brain. The current H2 and H3 chips are impressive, but they hit a ceiling with high-resolution audio. The AirPods Pro 4 are set to introduce 24-bit lossless audio over a new proprietary wireless protocol. For the first time, audiophile and Bluetooth can finally exist in the same sentence. Apple is tired of Sony and Sennheiser taking the crown for pure sound quality. With the Pro 4, they are aiming for the throat. We're talking about a custom-built low-distortion driver and a high-dynamic range amplifier that delivers bass you can feel in your chest and highs that are crisp as mountain air. And then there's the noise cancellation. We thought the Pro 2 was good. We thought the Pro 3 was pro-level. But the Pro 4 is targeting silence on demand. Using a new system called hyperadaptive ANC, these earbuds will sample external noise at over 60,000 times per second. It won't just dull the roar of a jet engine. It's designed to cancel out unpredictable sounds like a crying baby or a barking dog more effectively than any over-ear headphone currently on the market. But Apple isn't just looking at your ears, they're looking at your health. The AirPods Pro